Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. Today we have an unboxing of a Hot Wheels set that you can get off of Amazon. All right, they started selling these new model case sets, right? So the new releases for each case, A case, B case, C case, and they're putting them into a pack of 16. You get an opportunity to get a super treasure hunt for that case or a regular treasure hunt, and they're mostly the new models that are released in that case. So today we have the C case, I believe, and I'm sure you know how this works. I'm sure you've watched a handful of these. I'm only recording it in case I pull a super. I think that would be interesting, but otherwise I pretty much have everything from the C case. So anything that I pull here is just going to be a double for me, or a triplicate, or whatever. Anyway, so let's spoiler alert, I could see the Copo Camaro in the corner there, and it's just a regular. So all right, thanks for watching. Just kidding. All right, anyway, let's go through this real quick. So Pagani's on to R. This is the here we go. So C case right there, new for 2023. The livery, right, it came in that black color as a new model in 2022. The Dior 3, I would never purchase this, ever. And now I own it. Awesome. Unimog 1300 in this nice brown Heavy Rescue Services. Got the Max Steel. I like this casting a lot. And the SoCal Speed Shop deco there. Here's another one, twin induction. Never purchased this one. I'm gonna send all my fantasy castings to Sam, 64 wheels. The Rimic Navera, it's a nice one. I have a handful of these already though. Bone Shaker and the Team Hot Wheels. Does that say awesome? That does say awesome. Cool. All right. Got the Ford Transit Connect, the Hot Wheels one. Right, it's all souped up. Greenwood Corvette and this very cool dragon livery. You know, I saw the actual Greenwood Corvette over the weekend down at the Amelia Island Concours. It was very cool to see in person. Dodge Charger Drift. Track Pursuit. It's the patrol car there. It's got the push bar on the front. You get the lights up top. Okay. Hot Wheels High. Ugh. Okay. Jeep Wagoneer. This is nice here. Now, this is not a new model. Remember, this one debuted in the Boulevard series of, I think, 2011. This one's cool here. This casting actually has been harder for me to find. I think I only have 2 of them, if that, maybe only have 1. So it's nice to see 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S in this green. It always comes, I think they've always been released in a fairly stock looking deco. So you get taillights, you get bumper lights there, obviously 80s pop-up headlights, and this green is very cool. Nice custom color. And 3 more to go here. We got Batman Forever Batmobile, as you can see, new for 2023. And the Group C Fantasy. And then finally, the car I was hoping was going to be a super, because this is a very cool super. But this is just the regular. It's the 68 Copo Camaro. All right, that's it. I have the E case and the D case on the way. Should be here next week and the following week afterwards. And I think I just ordered the F case. So check it out online on Amazon. You can get these box sets and be disappointed. Anyway, thanks for viewing.